A National Labor Relations Board judge has ruled to dismiss a case filed by a Home Depot employee who alleged the company wrongly banned workers from wearing the Black Lives Matter slogan on their aprons. An employee at a Minnesota store first filed a complaint against the home improvement company in March 2021, after allegedly being suspended, and later resigning, for having the phrase on their uniform. NLRB lawyers became involved in August 2021, arguing that Black Lives Matter should not fall under the Home Depot's uniform policy, which bans political or religious messages unrelated to workplace matters from employees' aprons, or elsewhere on their clothing. The employee was required to choose between engaging in protected concerted activity, including displaying the BLM slogan, and quitting employment, the complaint said. The NLRB defines concerted activity as any action taken with coworkers in an effort to improve working conditions, including talking with coworkers about earnings, petitioning for more hours, and speaking with media or government agencies about workplace issues. Lawyers representing the former Home Depot employee did not argue whether BLM was political messaging, but rather that not allowing employees to display the slogan on their aprons interfered with the right to concerted activity. NLRB Judge Paul Bogas wrote in his opinion that the plaintiffs had not sufficiently reasoned their argument. In order to meet the standard of concerted activity, the prohibited messaging has to be a group effort and a means of improving working conditions, he said. Rather, the record shows that the message was primarily used, and generally understood, to address the unjustified killings of Black individuals. A message about unjustified killings of Black men, while a matter of profound societal importance, is not directly relevant to the terms, conditions, or a lot of Home Depot's employees as employees. However, the company does encourage employees to personalize their aprons with names, doodles and don't. The employee, who worked at the store from August 2020 to February 2021, wore the slogan on their apron for the duration of their employment, Bogas said. The store is located in New Brighton, Minnesota, nearly 12 miles from Minneapolis, where George Floyd, an unarmed Black man, was killed by police in May 2020, sparking nationwide protests. The employee said that Floyd's death, as well as racist behavior from a coworker, such as making stereotypical remarks and being unhelpful to Black and Hispanic customers, sparked the donning of Black Lives Matter on the apron. It's a symbol of alliance, the employee testified. I have never seen it as something political myself. It's something that I put on so that people know to approach me.